Imagine a world where Bitcoin's most popular testnet is on the brink of a crisis. A world where block storms are wreaking havoc and certain projects are taking advantage of the token's scarcity. This isn't a dystopian novel plot, it's the reality we're facing right now. The problem started with the testnet, or TBTC, experiencing what software engineer and co-founder of Bitcoin custody firm CASA, Jameson Lopp, refers to as block storms. These storms are a result of the unique consensus mechanism on the testnet, which occasionally produces over 10,000 blocks in a single day, in stark contrast to the Bitcoin mainnet's average of 144 blocks per day. As a result of these block storms, the network stands at a current block height of 2,811,000, equivalent to where the Bitcoin mainnet would be in the year 2061. This vast increase in the testnet's block height has drastically reduced rewards for testnet miners to near zero, rendering the network practically unusable for developers in search of new tokens. But the story doesn't end there. The now scarce testnet Bitcoin has been co-opted by certain projects seeking to profit from the token's scarcity. Lopp warns that it's not uncommon for malicious folks to exploit people's naivety and sell them testnet Bitcoin at mainnet Bitcoin exchange rates. Lopp called out several projects, including a DEX called MotoSwap and a brokerage firm called BuyTestnet for selling testnet tokens to users. He noted a recent example of a Bitcoin-based Layer 2 network named Satoshi VM, which had been using TBTC to distribute airdrops to its holders, thereby creating artificial value on the testnet for its own purposes. So, what's the proposed solution to this dire situation? According to Lopp, a testnet reset is the answer. He asserts that testnet should remain free for developers to use and advises Bitcoin developers and users to migrate their infrastructure to testnet 4 in the coming months. To further protect the testnet from accruing value, Lopp suggests instilling a culture of regular resets. He also stresses the importance of every wallet that supports testnet prominently displaying a disclaimer that testnet coins hold no value. In summary, the Bitcoin testnet is currently facing a crisis due to block storms and the misuse of scarce testnet Bitcoin by certain projects. The proposed solution lies in a testnet reset, migration to testnet 4, and the installation of a culture of regular resets. Crucially, it's vital to remember and remind others that testnet coins hold no value.